Today we're putting El Fuego trio to work using smoke and fire to make these incredible Chicken Al Pastor Skewers. Tender marinated chicken thighs and sweet pineapple are first smoked on the pellet side, then finished over charcoal for that perfect combination of color, char, and flavor. Let's start by making our marinade. Add 2 ounces of achiote paste to the juice from 2 oranges, now the juice from 1 lime, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon Mexican oregano, 6 cloves of garlic, and 2 chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. Give that a good blend and set it aside. Trim your chicken thighs to your liking and then cut them into approximately 2-inch portions. Get the chicken into a sealable container, pour in your marinade, get this all combined and coated well, and then marinate it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, but overnight is better. The next day, get your metal skewers built by alternating chicken and cubed pineapple. Our Lone Star Grillz El Fuego trio is big, bold, and beautiful. Its name stands for Triple Fire Grill because it can cook with wood, charcoal, or pellets. We'll be starting today's cook on the pellet side at a temperature of 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Once fully preheated, get your skewers over the pellet side, close the lid, and allow them to smoke for about 20 to 30 minutes. During that time, pre-light some charcoal for the sear. And about 30 minutes later, these have taken on some smoke and color. It's time to sear. With your pre-lit charcoal in place on the adjustable charcoal grate, begin to sear these skewers on all sides for some added char and flavor. You can adjust your charcoal grate height as needed. Once these are seared to your liking and cooked to a safe temperature, remove them and rest them for just a few minutes. Now you can serve these up just like they are, but these make for some great tacos. The combination of smoke and char on these is amazing. We hope you'll give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching, and if you've got questions on any of our products at any time, just give us a call or check out our links below. Please hit that like button, leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next one.